I'm PolyScienceProud.
I'm PolyScienceProud.
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 I'm PolyScienceProud.
I'm PolyScienceProud and have been working for this company for almost 30 years now. You can talk to anyone in the factory, anyone in the offices, and it'll really come across to you how proud everyone is in the work that they do and the quality of the products that we produce and the fact that we're able to provide temperature control equipment to so many industries across the globe.
I believe PolyScienceProud is always focused on the customer and fulfilling the customer's applications, meeting the challenges, coming up with innovation that makes our world of liquid temperature control a little better.
To me, to be PolyScienceProud means to be a part of a strong team that is passionate about meeting the needs of our customers.